Prasad Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, second year, BTech, AIML. So guys, we are here to do the 30 Days of Google Cloud program का second track का third quest का fourth वाला lab. So guys, this is our third quest, skill badge engineer data in Google Cloud, because this badge was already in the other track, so we are considering this as a third quest. So let's get into it, guys. And in this we are gonna solve the fourth skill badge of this. First three skill badge we have already solved, and this is our fourth skill badge, predict visitor purchases with this classification model BQML. We will get into this, guys, and then after that I will start this lab. Yes guys, I will use e-commerce data. Okay, let this lab to be started. Okay, paste this, copy the password, let's paste this. Okay, let this some terms and conditions by Google let to be accepted, guys. Okay, it's done. Setup environment, let's see the setup environment for this lab. Okay, we will be needing clouds. Okay, after that, okay, I will be going into BigQuery. Okay, from here, guys, I will be getting into BigQuery. In fact, I will pin this above, because we will be needing it many times. I will click on BigQuery, click on done. I will click here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, after we open that, we will be clicking on this link, and from here I will pin that data to inside wala table or data set. Okay, it's this one. Okay, it's here, and from here what I will do, okay, I will keep this link in here only open. Okay, after that what? Okay, explore e-commerce data set, copy and paste the out of the total. Okay, this, and I will paste this in the query, and I will simply run this. Okay, done. Okay, let's see the result. Yes, here is the result, guys, as you can see. Okay, let's clear that previous query, and let's run this. Okay, these are the results. Okay, now let's do this query. Okay, run this. As you can see, these queries are running. Okay, identify an object, select features and create a training data set. Okay, in the BigQuery data, I will be doing this. Okay, you can compare it with the results, guys, if you want. Now what? Create a BigQuery data set to store models. Okay, first of all I will come here and okay, where it is. Okay, wait, what I did. Okay, first of all I will come here and again I will be pinning that. Okay, not a big issue, guys. Go from this link again. Okay, it's not this account, it's this account. So let's select this again. We'll go inside this. Okay, it's here. Now what? Okay, after this we will be okay, we will come here. Let this be closed and we will come here. In this I will create a data set and the name of the data set will be, data set ID will be e-commerce, and leave everything at their default values and I will click on create data set. Okay, check my progress. It's done. Now what? Select BQML model type and select and specify option. There are two model types to choose from: forecasting and classification. Okay, since you are bucketing visitors will buy you in future. Okay, run this query to train your model. Okay, I will copy this query and in the editor over here I will simply run this. Okay, it's training. Okay, it's going on, guys. As you can see, elapsed times and this is loading, which means that it's going on. Need to wait for some time. Guys, do share my video and can comment me in the comment box for any help or something kind of that, or you can give me any suggestions over there also. Okay, it said that we need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It's going on, guys. Need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, as they said we need to wait. We have to wait, I mean. Okay, we are here. After this I will click on go to model, and after going to the model I okay, in the e-commerce data set I will be seeing that this one, okay, classification model, okay, is it there? uh, okay, name what, classification underscore model, right? Let's search guys where it is. We will be getting it somewhat there only. Okay, it's there, right? This one. We need to move forward. Evaluate classification model, select a performance criteria. Okay, copy this is classification model 1. Okay, now I have to run this query again, and it will take some time, and we will be seeing this result, so we should wait for some time till then this query finishes. Okay, it's finished, I think that. And as you can see, this is the result, and you can compare it from here, and let's check the progress. Okay, it's done. Improve model performance. Okay, some features. Okay, now create this second model by clicking on compose new query. Okay, I will copy this, and here I will compose a new query, and I will be pasting it here, and I will run this, and this will create a new model for me. So it may take some time, so no need to worry. Okay, they said it will take around 5 to 10 minutes, so guys, we need to wait for some more time here again. Okay, let's wait. I hope so guys, my mic is also better from so many days, and there won't be any issues, and within next 2 days we are gonna complete our 30 days of Google Cloud program completely. It's going on, guys. Okay. We need to wait till this complete. This is loading, guys, and it will be completed within some minutes from now. Now let's click on go to model. So we are done with this. Okay, evaluate. Okay, I will copy this and evaluate the model. For that I will click on compose a new query, and here I will paste it and run it. Within few seconds it will be completed. It's done. Okay, we're done with this, and let's see the progress. Okay, predict which new visitor will come and purchase. Okay, I will copy this query, and in the compose new query, better to be compose a new query every time, because it may be a mess for you all for some time by seeing so many queries. It's like that, guys. So let this finish. Within seconds it will completed. Done. Let's check it. Okay, by this, guys, we have completed our 4th lab successfully, and thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and please do share my video everywhere, and thank you so much, guys, for watching. Really thank you so much.